I'm Loretta Revoczi. I'm the Test Centre Manager here at Global Village Vancouver. Computer-delivered IELTS is very much the same as a paper-delivered test, except you do it on the computer. So the listening, reading and writing portions of the test are done through the computer, and then you have a face-to-face speaking test in the traditional way with an examiner. Not really. The test is exactly the same in terms of the level and the content. It's just the delivery method which is different. If you can use a computer in the normal way, then you'll be fine with this test. You can cut and paste your answers the way you would in a normal Word program. It's very easy to use. You don't have to worry about your technological skills. Here there is a big difference. For our paper-based test, it takes 13 days, but for computer-delivered, it's 3 to 5 days, so much faster. So at Global Village Vancouver, we have a lot of different types of classes available to suit your budget and to suit your time available. Full-time, part-time, tutoring, or workshops. The classes are designed for both the paper-based and the computer-delivered test because the content of the test is exactly the same. You're welcome.